Begins, but yes. Well, it's the weekend and there's certainly a lot of weather to talk about. So let's start with today. Sunshine and showers meant we got some brilliant pictures of rainbows from our weather watchers from across the region. But it's been very, very windy. These are the strongest gusts since midnight last night. So on the North Norfolk coast, Weybourne recorded 56 miles per hour. Now, we've got some showers around at the moment, some of those on the heavy side in the north, but I think they'll clear and a lot of tonight will be dry with variable amounts of cloud, and we will see those winds continuing to ease to a mainly light to moderate west to southwesterly, and it's going to be chilly. Temperatures for some of us dropping below these values down to around 6 degrees Celsius. So tomorrow, the weather very dependent on how quickly this weather front pushes in from the southwest and how far north it goes and brings this rain. So I think we start off chilly but fine and dry with a lot of sunshine, then the cloud increasing and then the rain spreading in. I think the further south you are, the more likely you are to see some wet weather. The further north you are, you're likely to stay dry at the moment, albeit rather cloudy. And it's going to be a much cooler day for some of us. I don't think we'll reach these temperatures, only up to about 13 Celsius in parts of the region, which is 55 degrees Fahrenheit. But at least it will be less windy tomorrow. But then there's Sunday, my goodness, this low pressure system moving eastwards across the UK. Now, its exact track will determine how much rain we get and how strong the winds will be. But at the moment, look at this, Sunday is looking a really miserable day. Rain heavy at times, we could see 20 to 50 millimetres of rain, so up to 2 inches in places. And these winds are very misleading. I think for a time we could see gusts of 50 to 60 miles per hour. Now, that's most likely at the moment, and I stress at the moment, in the afternoon. But there is a yellow warning in place for strong winds and that heavy rain. And if the strongest winds coincide with high tide, we could have some very large waves too. But then it's all change again on Monday. High pressure building in for next week, an intense area of high pressure. So it's looking largely fine and dry, albeit rather chilly as we start the working week with highs of only around 15 or 16 degrees Celsius. And I'll finish with the overnight lows, and look at this. Some really parky old nights to come. In fact, on Monday night, some of us could drop below freezing, down to around -1 to -2. Have a lovely weekend.
Oh my goodness.